Hello everyone, this is true caller ID coded telephone with portable sizes. This is our model. This is another model. Let me check the ringo. Call. This ringo sound at 2 1 off. True. Let me check another. This one. This one different. Here's the ring watch. It's off. This middle. High. Let me display here. Check. Okay. Sixteen digits of this phone. This is a hands-free. Let me make a call. Hands-free. Hello? 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 Check another. Hello? 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 It's broke. Okay, wait. Check this one. Another one. Display. Also, this one has 16 digits. This one. And let me take the hands-free. Wait. Wait here. Hello? 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 Let me check the hands-free. Hello? 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 This is the new soundboard. It's not very stable. Look at it's different. It's true. And this is this one. This is another one. This is not ours. If you have more questions, contact us freely. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.